Okay, this is my first EAS Mock. It's called The Facility. We begin our first story on June 12, 2015 in the city of Chicago at 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here we go.
A retail facility in Chicago has caught fire and is causing extensive damage to it and surrounding buildings. At 3:47 p.m. the building exploded and collapsed, destroying other buildings around it. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio or television outlets as this situation continues.
One hour later, Gary, Indiana.
An industrial building fire in Chicago has caused a power outage across Cook and Lake counties in Illinois and Lake County in Indiana. This is a civil emergency message. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio or television outlets as this situation continues.
It's been 1 hour since the power outage and it's still going on. Now we're heading to Indianapolis.
"911 telephone services are out in Illinois and Indiana. This is not a test. Do not call 911 on a home phone. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio or television outlets as this extremely dangerous situation continues.
Well, that can't be good, can it? Columbus, Ohio, the next day.
We interrupt all normal programming. This is a national emergency. 911 telephone services have gone out in the states of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan, Kentucky and Virginia. This is not a test. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio or television outlets for more information.
Oh, what's next? Computer malfunctions? Yes. Virginia Beach, Virginia. 1 minute, 1 minute. 2 hours later. ... There we go. You just witnessed me type it. Okay, now let's go.
Computers across Virginia have malfunctioned. Error 123456789. Do not use your computers. Restarting. Fatal error encountered. Can't restart. Call 1-800-7185 for technical help. Error. Now returning to normal programming.
Part 2 is coming soon. Till then, goodbye.